Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from here.
Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today for the Year Masterpieces series. We have a special guest with us, our new mentor, Nilesh Nayak sir. Hello sir, how are you?
Hello, hi, I'm good, Preeti. Hope the same for you too.
Yes sir, thank you so much. And thank you for joining us and to be a part of the Year Masterpieces. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here. It's a
Mhm.
privilege.
Sir, as you have become a mentor with Dhya, can you walk us through your career journey?
Yeah, certainly. I'm basically a pharmacist and I'm working as a consultant for the global pharmaceutical companies, helping them do business with India and Indian companies to do business globally. I'm basically a global business development pharmaceutical executive and now been in the industry for more than 20 years. I'm on my own. And for last 4 to 5 years, I am working with companies in US, Japan, and Europe, helping them do business in India. I have my own company also in Hyderabad, where I do custom synthesis and R&D work for companies in Japan. That's basically what I have been doing for last 15 to 20 years now.
Wow, that's really great, sir. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. So, sir, now that you're part of the year, can you tell me what inspired you to become a career mentor?
I've always been excited about dealing with children, and I still do interact with the young crowd and form of guest lecturer for a lot of management colleges and sometimes for B pharmacy students also. And I do come across a lot of people in the family and friend circle who look at me as some success icon, which probably they overrate it. But and they ask me for career advice, and I'm not well abreast with whatever is happening outside. So I thought of joining on to Deha, understanding from Deha what's happening. And whenever I'm advising somebody now, I'm more better informed and I'm able to give them more accurate in terms of guidance. So that kind of inspired me to take up Deha.
Thank you so much, sir. And I think not much people think about helping someone with their knowledge. So thank you so much for that. So, sir, can you tell me what do you think how the year is going to change perspective towards career mentoring?
Yeah, because what has been historically happening in India is that the career choices that children have been very limited because of not limited opportunities, but because of limited access to knowledge about the different careers happening, and also lack of self-assessment techniques
Absolutely.
available for them. So people really don't know what they are capable of or what is their actual interest lying in. So institutes like Deha are providing a good mirror for the children or for the new generation to identify their skill sets, to identify where they're interested in, and also opening new career avenues for them. So that's something which I believe has been a game changer, and it's very, very essential in current days when so many options are available. Unlike in our times, 3 decades back, when we didn't have too many options. That time when I did pharmacy, I was supposed to like it was something different because everyone was doing engineering and medical, and people thought I'll become a compounder by doing pharmacy. But now
Right.
I'm working with the medical community. Yeah, so that was lack of knowledge, and now with access to knowledge, I think DEA is providing a good mirror to the students to understand themselves and then make a conscious and correct decision about what they should be doing in future.
Absolutely correct. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, last thing I want to ask you, as you mentioned, there were not too many options for you to choose a career. Okay, so now there is a lot of competition between students, and there is a lot of competition in education field that every parent wants best for their child, but they are forgetting something, their happiness. So, what message you want to convey to our viewers to build their child's career better?
Yeah, as a parent myself, I believe I have 2 children. My elder son is in army; he's a major. And in spite of having family business and in spite of having everything worked out for him at home, he chose to work for the nation because that was his passion. And he was well guided by his career mentors at that time. And he chose to go to ID and get himself enrolled in army. And now he is a major serving the nation. And my daughter, who I thought would follow my footsteps and get into pharmacy and take care of my company in future, decided to do something totally different. She went into liberal arts. Again, I believe they could take make these decisions because they're well informed, they were well aware of their choices, and they understood themselves well. My daughter thought that she needed to do a little bit more of economics and biology and then probably come into the medical fraternity. So she's doing liberal arts from Symbiosis and making a good mix and still keeping her options open. So I believe for current children, it's very important that they understand themselves, they do some kind of psychometric testing, which they have offers, understand their strengths, interests, and then go ahead and make a very conscious decision. And because I believe both my children are quite happy in what they are doing. So parents should support in all these activities, because without parent support, the children normally get frustrated.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, sir. What a beautiful message. And I'm sure, first of all, thank you for coming here to chat with us and giving this message. I'm sure we expect great things from you. Thank you so much, sir.
Sure. Thank you, Preeti. Pleasure talking to you. Bye-bye.
And thank you, everyone. Stay tuned for the next Masterpieces episode.